Hey everyone, I'm Milena, and today we're breaking down 6 common TOEFL speaking mistakes that could cost you points and how to avoid them. First up, timing issues. If your answer is too short, you're in trouble. In the independent speaking task, you've got 45 seconds, which means you should aim for 9 to 12 sentences. If you're stopping after just 2 or 3, that's an instant red flag. Next, structure and logic. Your answer needs to be clear and complete. No rambling, no repeating the same point over and over. And if it's an integrated task, make sure you cover both the reading and listening. Missing key details? That's a deduction. Grammar matters too. Small mistakes? No big deal. But if you're messing up basic things like subject-verb agreement or tenses, that's a problem. And then there's pausing. Thinking for a second? Fine. But if you hesitate too much or restart your sentences constantly, it ruins fluency. Keep it smooth. Pronunciation is another big one. Having an accent won't hurt you, but mispronouncing key words will. If the grader can't understand what you're saying, that's lost points. Finally, delivery. Speaking too fast, too flat, or with no variation in tone. That makes it hard to follow. Good pacing, natural rhythm, and some intonation will make your answer sound more natural. And if you want instant feedback on your responses, check out LingoLeap. It's an AI-powered platform with over 4,000 TOEFL practice questions and personalized scoring to help you improve faster. Start practicing today. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. See you in the next one.